What's up guys, this week we are in Cancun, Mexico. My first time ever in Mexico. I can't believe it's taken this long. We're out here shooting some content with Club Med. We're at the Yucatan resort. We just got done shooting a beautiful sunrise, all these palm trees in the background. And right now we're gonna head out on a boat and hopefully go find some whale sharks, which is just some bucket list things being ticked off here. So let's go get in the water.
Look at all these colors and all these colors and textures. Just beautiful, beautiful colors and texture. Oh, there it goes. Sorry. At least you were done, almost.
In need of your saving, please.
Okay, wow, what an insane time it's been in Mexico. I have had the most incredible week here in Cancun with Club Med. So big ups to Club Med for having us out here for the week and just giving us such an incredible experience, exploring some of the ancient ruins. Seeing Chichen Itzá in person was incredible. Got to do some pretty epic hyperlapses with the HERO8. Just see so much culture and history there. I feel like there's so much more of Mexico I need to come back and explore. Hopefully do the West Coast in 2020. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Oh my gosh, on to the next adventure. See you guys next week. You.